Hi everyone, it's Miss Andrea from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Today we are going to make some fun Pom Pom Launchers. So what you'll need to make your own Pom Pom Launcher is a cup with the bottom cut out of it, some pom-poms, a balloon, and some duct tape. So I already have the bottom of my cup cut out, but if yours isn't cut out yet, you can do that now. After the bottom of the cup is cut out, the next step is to take your balloon and tie a knot into the side that you would normally blow the air into. Something like that. Now that our balloon has a knot tied in the bottom, we are going to take the side that does not have the knot and cut a straight line off of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just so that there's an opening at this end. So now your balloon should have a knot at one end and an opening at the other end. Our next step is to take the open end of the balloon and cover up the hole that we cut out of the bottom of our cup. You could use the other side of the cup as well, but the bottom that we cut out is probably easier because the hole is a little bit smaller. And now is where our duct tape comes into play. We're going to take some duct tape and secure the balloon onto the cup so that it doesn't fall off. I have some red and black duct tape, but you could use whatever you have. So now my cup looks something like this. If you'd like, you can also decorate your cup using stickers, markers, paint, or whatever you have at home. Now that our Pom Pom Launcher is complete, it's time to put it to the test. You're going to grab your pom-poms. I have some different colors and different sizes here. You can put in as many as it fit, or just one if you'd like. Throw some of those in there. And here is the test. It works! Challenge your friends or family. See who can launch their pom-poms the farthest. Have fun, everyone!